What's up guys, Will H back with another video, taking a look at some screen protectors that I picked up for my Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now these are by this company right here. I'm not going to try and pronounce that name, but you can get these on Amazon.com. They're $12.99. You can also apply the 5% discount coupon that they have as well. Now these are not tempered glass screen protectors. They're TPU film. They're film screen protectors. I've used them in the past and they work pretty good as well. Now you're going to get a 3+3 pack. You're going to get 3 for your front screen, and you're also going to get 3 for your camera lens as well. Now these are supposed to be not too thick. They're supposed to work with Face ID, and they should work with your fingerprint sensor as well. And like I said, I'll drop the link in the description. So here's the packaging. Not sure how to pronounce that, but these are for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. So let's go ahead and get in and take a look at these, see what we got here. Now I've used this company before, and they make some pretty good screen protectors. With the curved display, it's kind of hard to find tempered glass at work. So you got your installation instructions here with a barcode that you can scan to see how to put these on. But you're going to have your little packets here, and inside of this, we're going to have, let's see what we got here. So you got your dust absorber, you're going to have a microfiber and a wet wipe. So that's what you got, and you're going to get 2 more of those, so 3 all together. You're going to get your camera lens protector right there. It's black, as you guys see. That's nice, so I'm going to put that over there. You're going to get 2 more of those. You're going to get a squeegee. You're going to get your guide here to help apply the screen protector. And this little mat is to keep your phone from sliding around. And then, of course, you're going to get your 3 screen protectors here. And this stuff here I'm going to put back in the box, so we're not going to be needing that. Right there. And then here's one of the film screen protectors. And I'm hoping this works out pretty good. I prefer a tempered glass, but I'm going to try this out. And it gives you, tells you to watch the video to put it on and everything here. So we're going to get this set up and get the screen protector on there. So this is going to go, and here's that beautiful snow Google Pixel 7 Pro. Whew, I love this thing, man. I got a follow-up video coming about this soon. So you're going to take that, put that inside of your charging port there. And we're going to go ahead and take our wet wipes. So we're going to speed this up, guys. That way you don't have to listen at me talk about it. So we're back in. Applying the screen protector was very easy, especially with the little application tool here. Helps to align it very easy, and it came out great. No bubbles, not real big bubbles. I see some little small ones, and normally what happens with these type of screen protectors, they'll disappear in a day or two, but that helps to align it very well, and it came out great, guys. Doesn't feel like a plastic screen protector on here. Let's go ahead and try this out. Feels very smooth, guys. Strolling about with this is very nice. We're going to see how it holds up over time. And don't know if it's going to pick up a lot of fingerprints, but so far it looks pretty good. And I'll give it a day or two. There's some fine little bubbles there that I can probably work out after the video is over. So let's check the fingerprint sensor. They said it would work with the fingerprint sensor. You guys see no issues with the fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and try that again. No issues. Let's try facial recognition. Now I am behind the camera here, so let's try that. There it is, no issue. Let's try that again. Right in, as you guys see. So no issues with the fingerprint sensor or the facial recognition. Let's go ahead and put the camera lens protector on here. So I'm going to wipe this down with the alcohol pad. I'm going to go ahead and clean this off with the microfiber. And you also want to go ahead and take your dust remover again and hit this, because you don't want any dust to be trapped up under there. Let's go ahead and hit that. And now we're going to take our camera lens protector and drop it in place. Now this is tempered glass. The other was a film. And hopefully I can do this without getting it messed up here. And I'm going to have to turn the phone around like this so I can see it. So let's go ahead and align this up. You can use the circles going around the camera to kind of help you drop it in place. Just like that. And I think pretty much nailed it there, guys. It's off just a little bit, but that's going to be good for me. It's not protruding over the edge of the camera bar there. And let's go ahead and open up the camera app. And it doesn't look like it's interfering with the camera at all. Let's go ahead and snap a quick photo here. And the picture looks great. So that is it, guys. The company right here, screen protector and camera lens protector for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H Gadgets and More. I'm out.